Here's a great deal on a 2007 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Mercedes-Benz are offered, including power trunk closing assist, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, and leather upholstery. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including front and rear side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.